Hey everyone, Ashley here, and this is the look I'm going to show you how to create today. I'm first starting out with the ColourPop Gel Eyeshadow in shade Big Ego. I'm placing that on my lid with a fluffy brush from Morphe, just kind of packing on the color, and then slowly feathering the edges with a light hand. Just buffing that top edge, adding a little bit more product as well. Blending it towards the outer corner and upwards towards the eyebrow. Adding a little bit more product on the center to have a little bit more sparkle. Just using little windshield wiper motions just to have everything seamless. Next, with shade Python from the ColourPop That's Taupe palette, I'm placing this with a fluffy Morphe brush that's a little bit smaller on the outer corner, and then slowly blending it into that shimmering color on the lid. And then I'm creating a V-shaped triangle in the outer corner, following the upward slope of my lower lash line, and then bringing it up into the crease a little bit here. Just blending everything out, dipping into the color a little bit more, and then adding on some more pigment, and then just kind of sweeping it towards the center of my eye. I'm bringing it upwards and in, creating a triangle type shape on the outer corner, bringing it upwards. Next, with the same palette, I'm using the shade Bedrock and a small crease brush from Morphe, and I'm creating a V shape in the outer corner and then curving it a little bit, bringing it to the lash line, and then creating a point in the outer corner. I'm having a little bit of fallout from this color, but you can just brush it away. I'm just concentrating the color and then worrying about blending it afterwards. Next, I'm going to go back in with the fluffy brush that we used for the previous color, and then slowly just start blending everything. Just be patient with blending it. Try to keep the color controlled. I'm just kind of blending it into the crease here, pulling it towards the inner portion of the eye, focusing on the lid and crease portion first. Next, I'm going to start blending that top edge on the outer corner here, maintaining that triangle type shape in the outer corner. It's almost like a V from the lower lash line upwards into the crease, packing a little bit more color with the crease brush to help blend. Bring it onto the lid a little bit, bringing some brown, blending it some more so you get a seamless edge like so. And then next, I'm going to go in with a shader brush from Hobby Lobby. It's like a paintbrush. I'm using the shade Python again, and I'm going to apply that to the lower lash line. Just kind of bringing it down about the length of my eyelashes, kind of smoking it out a little bit. Doing little side to side motions. Next, with Slated in that same brush, I'm applying that to the inner corner. Just kind of feathering the edges. Then with this Jones Road Brown liner, I'm lining my waterline as well as upper lash line, making it a little bit thicker on the outer corner, and then thinner on the inner corner. Adding some mascara. This is the L'Oreal Telescopic little inner corner liner, and Lilly lashes in style VIP. Some concealer to clean up the lower portion. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Please press the subscribe button if you enjoyed to see more videos, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye. Thank you for watching.